This is another one of those questions where it's really neat because I get to use some really good test taking strategies. So, for example, if we're trying to figure out the equation of the line that goes through this point and is parallel to this line, we have to understand the difference between parallel and perpendicular and the implications that that has on slope. So, this equation is already in slope intercept form, y equals mx plus b, where the slope is -8. Now, for any line that's parallel, this should be an M. I'm going to go ahead and show you the symbol that we use to represent that. So parallel would be like kind of slanted, essentially forward slashes. Perpendicular is this upside down T kind of figure. And when lines are parallel, the slopes are the exact same. When they're perpendicular, they're opposite reciprocals of each other. So you take the opposite sign. So if it was negative, it becomes positive, and you do the reciprocal. So this is really 8 over 1, the reciprocal of which is 1/8. Now, we're not doing perpendicular, we're doing parallel, so we can eliminate any answer options that don't have this slope we're looking for of -8. So I could eliminate these. I already have a 50-50 chance at getting the right answer now. And what I'm going to do is plug in -1/2 as x in each of these and see which one gives me an output of +2. So let's go into Desmos. We will remove any other information we have by pressing the gear icon, delete all, and then we'll type in, I don't have to put y equals, I can just go right to -8. I'll plug in -1/2. I'll go to the right, put parentheses, and -2. Hey, I do get the right value, but just to show you the difference is if instead I put this, go to the right, put a parenthesis, +2, I don't get the value that I want. So that means the correct answer is C. And notice how beautifully this really played out. We didn't look at the answer options right away, but we looked at the format knowing it's going to be slope-intercept form. We did something, which was determine that the slope should be the same as the original, so it's still -8. And then based on that, we eliminated the answer options it definitely couldn't be. And then for the remaining 2 answer options, we plugged in the ordered pair and figured out the correct answer.